here with Big Mick and the team, the Cedros boys. Everybody in a little uniform. Organized spring proper. Let's see if we could talk to Big Mick one time. So the show is about to start. We're here with Big Mick. Big Mick, what's the plan for the day? What's the plan?
Well, as this morning we run a little late. No, some men was coming from far. We're trying to give them all time, but we're trying to start the brown bird race at this moment.
So how you feel about the turnout? I see the grounds full.
The turnout to me is excellent. Excellent. There's a lot of men still coming. We welcome everyone. Register and run your bird. Win something in Cedros.
So that's the start of the brown bird competition with Big Mick. Big Mick, congratulations, big turnout. Let me see how the rest of the competition goes today. BirdmanTT.
3, 2, 1, hang. One. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On hand. Alright, gentlemen, so the spot bird category up next. Let me get it going one time. All the spot bird men proceed to the ring with your objectors. Right, all spot bird men proceed to the ring.
So we're here with Joe, 124 in the brown bird. You take them again?
Yeah. I take them. Last time he come second, today he come first.
So where's the stats for this bird? How much wins so far?
He have a third place, a second place, now a first place. And he had 3 races under the belt. And in the bat show, he have a trophy and also yesterday. So yeah. The second time he make 124 in 15 minutes. He make 124 in the one pole in a race and also in pre-sale.
So handling is the important part of the bird. What to get a bird in this kind of condition for the young bird?
Boy, handling is a part of it, yes. But once you can recognize that the bird have that in him, then you have to know how to work him and handle him now. And this bird have it in him. The bird naturally is, once bird singing, he's cut and sing. You see what a bird that's singing him this morning? He cut and sing good.
So what make you leave quite a Ruka side to come down Cedros, you know.
Yeah.
So far Cedros for this kind of race.
I leave home call at 5 this morning. Yeah, I know my bird singing, he could take something, so I come down to get something. Let's see what he could do. I had to come around and represent too now, boy.
So how you feel to be a trophy winner down this side?
Nah, I feel real good. It's my first time coming here, so I feel good to come here and take first place.
Yeah, because this have a long history in bird. This Cedros Grounds is a historical ground, so I just want to congratulate you anyway. Nice win, Joe.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Joe with the 124, a big score for Brownwood.
They say Cedros had the best brown too, boy. So I had to come and represent to show them that in the east side how good brown birds too, boy.
Talk about the east side, the concrete fellas come to represent too.
Yeah, we concrete outside.
Yeah, the concrete outside. So brown bird with Joe, 124 BirdmanTT.
Let me proceed to the ring. Right, all the scorers, please.